You can buy bareroot strawberries from ashridgetrees.co.uk. Here's what they look like when they arrive. Your bareroot strawberries will arrive in a bag like this. If you've ordered quite a few, they may have an elastic band on, just remove that. It should be moist and healthy with a good root system. The size may vary depending on the variety that you've got. If you've got a strawberry bed ready, you can plant them straight outside, but today I'm going to show you how to plant them in a pot. So today I'm going to plant the bareroot strawberries into a 1 litre pot. If you're planting and you're going to transplant them outside later, it can be a smaller pot, that's absolutely fine, but I'm going to put them in a 1 litre pot just for a bit of room to grow. Use well draining compost. To give your bareroot strawberries the best start in life, you'll want to add root growth, mycorrhizal fungi. Sprinkle the root growth onto the roots. The crown of your strawberry. You'll want to make sure that the soil level is below that. Roughly that high, as you can see. Backfilled my bareroot strawberry into the pot, and I'm just going to firm it down and give it a good water. Continue feeding and watering throughout the summer, and your plant should produce lots of lovely strawberries. That's it, order your bareroot strawberries online today. ashridgetrees.co.uk. Please like and subscribe our videos to see more tips on gardening.